Welcome to the English podcast for everyone.
In this episode, we are going to explore the topic of nature and traveling.
That is right. Today we will talk about places to visit, simple travel vocabulary, and conversations with friends.
If you like going to new places, this episode is perfect for you.
We will also practice how to ask questions about places, share opinions, and describe experiences.
And remember, if you are enjoying this podcast, please subscribe to our channel, English Podcast for Everyone.
Let us begin with a simple conversation between two friends planning a trip.
Yes, a travel dialogue is a great way to learn natural English.
Where would you like to go this weekend?
I was thinking about going to the mountains.
That sounds amazing. I love the fresh air and the quiet.
Me too. It helps me relax and forget about stress.
How do we get there?
We can take the train. It is fast and comfortable.
Do we need to bring food?
Maybe a small lunch and some water.
Good idea. And do not forget your camera.
Of course. The view is beautiful up there.
Let us talk about nature vocabulary.
Sure, some basic words are tree, river, mountain, forest, and lake.
You can say, there is a river near the trail.
Or, the forest is full of tall trees.
What about adjectives to describe nature?
You can say, the view is amazing, or the air is so fresh.
Other good words are peaceful, quiet, relaxing, and beautiful.
Let us do a short role play about a visit to a national park.
Hello, what is your favorite part of the park?
I really like the waterfall. It is so peaceful.
I agree. I took a picture of it this morning.
Great. I love taking photos of nature.
Now let us practice questions people ask when traveling.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada. And you?
I am from Brazil.
Is this your first time here?
Yes. I arrived yesterday.
How long are you staying?
I will stay for 1 week.
What do you plan to visit?
I want to see the castle, the lake, and the local museum.
That sounds fun.
Yes. I love learning about new places.
Let us add more vocabulary. Do you know the word tourist?
Yes. A tourist is someone who visits a place for fun or interest.
Exactly. You can say many tourists come to this town in summer.
What is a landmark?
A landmark is a famous or important place. For example, the Eiffel Tower is a landmark.
You can ask, what are the landmarks in this city?
Now let us talk about transportation.
When you travel, you may use a bus, train, car, bicycle, or airplane.
You can ask, how do I get to the city center?
Or say, is there a bus station near here?
Let us practice more questions and answers.
How far is the train station?
It is about 10 minutes from here.
Can I walk there?
Yes, it is a short walk.
Is there a bus to the park?
Yes, the number 7 bus goes there.
What time does it leave?
It leaves every 30 minutes.
Now let us imagine we are visiting a small village.
What a quiet place. I like the old houses.
Yes, the people here are very friendly.
I want to try the local food.
Let us go to that restaurant near the square.
Good idea. I am hungry.
Me too. Let us order something simple.
Excuse me, what is this dish called?
It is called shepherd's pie. It is made with meat and potatoes.
It tastes great.
I love discovering new flavors.
Let us talk about feelings during travel.
You can say, I feel excited, or I'm a little tired.
Other feelings are curious, happy, surprised, or relaxed.
What do you say when you see something beautiful?
You can say, wow, that is beautiful, or this is amazing.
Let us do a dialogue about arriving at a hotel.
Good evening, I have a reservation.
What is your name?
My name is Maria Gomez.
One moment, please. Yes, we have your booking.
Great. Is breakfast included?
Yes, from 7 to 10 a.m. in the dining room.
Thank you. Where is my room?
Room 204, here is your key.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay.
Let us go over useful travel phrases.
Where is the nearest hotel?
Do you have a map?
I would like to buy a ticket.
Is the seat taken?
What time does the museum open?
Can I pay with a card?
These are common questions during travel.
Let us do one more dialogue.
Hello, is this your first time here?
Yes, I just arrived this morning.
Welcome. What do you plan to visit?
I want to walk in the forest and see the lake.
You should also visit the old castle.
Where is it?
It is 10 minutes from here by bus.
Thank you. I will go tomorrow.
Great. Enjoy your trip.
Let us finish with a short quiz.
Question 1. What do you say when you want to take a photo?
Can I take your picture?
Question 2. What is a tourist?
A tourist is someone visiting a place.
Question 3. What do you ask at a hotel?
Do you have a reservation under my name?
Excellent. You are doing great.
If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to English Podcast for Everyone.
Practice these phrases and try to use them in real situations.